How to make TikTok quiz videos on Canva. So if you want to make TikTok quiz videos on Canva, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and open up your Canva. Make sure that you've logged in. And once you open your Canva, you need to go with video. Under video section, you need to select the option of TikTok video. Select the TikTok video. Now once you're here, you need to just go with the left side, and here under templates, you need to search for quiz. After searching for quiz, now here you will have your templates. So I'll just simply go with this template. Once you've added the template, now you can go and change the questions. So you can change the question from here. You can go with text and change another question. And after editing all of these, if you want to add another question to your quiz, then you can go with plus, which is right here, and it will add another page. Once it adds another page, you need to go with the quiz, which is right here. Paste the things that are here, copy the things that are right here, go with the next page and paste it on this page. And it will be pasted, and again go with the question, add another question, another options, and that's it. Or you can also just play your video and make some editings if you want to. If you want to add another question, then again go with the add page and again copy this and paste it on the next page and go with the other question and other options. And in this way, you'll be able to make a lot of questions to your quiz. After done with the editing part, you can go with share, which is on the top right, and you'll be able to share it or download it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.